Here we will see how easy it is to generate a 3D factory layout from a CAD floor plan. Today, a factory layout must be three-dimensional, at least in certain areas. Because modern technology is complex, a 2D floor plan is generally no longer sufficient to transport all the necessary layout information, in example if modern equipment is to be planned into existing structures. The question is, how can we create a 3D layout? The easiest way is to reconstruct the 2D plan in 3D. Here we can concentrate on areas of interest in the overall layout, start by creating small 3D construction sites. The rest remains in 2D, until we need something in 3D at this place in the layout. Over time, the many small 3D construction sites are transformed into the whole factory in 3D. If this task is spread over several shoulders, it will happen faster than we might think at first. What is important at this point is a tool that is easy and quick to use. Because not everyone who has a construction site in the factory layout should have to qualify as a 3D expert right away. It is therefore practical if the planning tool comes with an integrated 3D model library. And so the 3D start is very easy. First, the 2D layout must be loaded. Suitable tools provide an import function for CAD documents in the DWG format. Often the source data are in a different scale. This must be taken into account during import so that the models in the library fit the 2D floor plan. Now we use the library to recreate the layout in 3D. We simply place the 3D models from the library on the 2D floor plan using drag and drop. It is convenient if the models can be easily scaled. This way we can recreate 2D objects, of which the library does not contain a 3D model that fits exactly. A first impression of the area can thus be created very quickly. It is important that the tools library allows the import of machine models from common 3D formats. Typical is, for example, that factory equipment is exported in the STEP format. Architecture data often comes in the IFC format. This means that the modular principle can also be used for 3D models that come from a machine manufacturer. This makes it easy to integrate newly designed machines into existing 2D layouts. It is therefore possible to build entire factories in 3D over time, as can be seen here. The most important thing is to just start with it.